Now we will introduce a new method to determining the response of our circuit, and this method we are introducing is called superposition. Superposition states the total response of our circuit is the sum of the individual responses from each of our independent sources. For now, we will use superposition for independent sources. And to do such, we are going to have to apply some transformation to our sources to determine our total response. Now, say we have two voltage sources within our system, and we want to analyze the contribution of each of those independently. To do such, we would look at V1 first, and then we would short circuit V2. By shorting V2, we would replace that voltage source with a trace such that we assume there is a zero potential across that element. We would get the response of our circuit, and then we would look at V2's contribution to the circuit by short circuiting V1. Now say we have two current sources within our circuit. To determine our total response, we want to look at the response of our circuit due to each of our independent sources. That is, we'd look at the response due to I1 by open circuiting I2. By open circuiting I2, we break that circuit, i.e. we replace the current source with a broken trace such that no current can flow through the element. We would get our response, and then we'd look at I2's contribution to the circuit by open circuiting I1.